Buddhist funeral process from A to Z. Served by Duc Thinh Funeral Services Company. The staff of Duc Thinh Funeral Service bring the coffin into the house to prepare for the encoffining ceremony. Staff begin arranging and decorating the funeral hall. Decorating the Buddha altar. Placing joss paper offerings in the coffin before the encoffining. Staff cover the body of the deceased with a protective plastic sheet. Outside, staff arrange flowers in preparation for the coffin sealing ceremony. The encoffining ceremony officially begins. The monk chants sutras before the Buddha altar. Family members in mourning offer incense to the Buddha. The purification ritual for the body of the deceased. The purification ritual for the coffin before placing the body inside. Duc Thinh staff conduct the coffin dressing ritual. Placing the body neatly into the coffin. Placing personal belongings of the deceased into the coffin. Adding formaldehyde powder for preservation during the funeral days. Family members gather to view the deceased one last time. After family members have finished viewing the deceased, staff place dry tea leaves into the coffin. Adding more joss paper offerings. Applying silicone sealant in preparation for closing the coffin's glass lid. Closing the glass lid of the coffin. Mourning family members bow 4 times before sealing the coffin. Staff carry the coffin lid into the hall to complete the encoffining ritual. Final decoration of the coffin to complete the sealing ritual. Placing the portrait of the deceased on the memorial altar. Arranging fresh flowers in soft white and yellow tones as requested by the family. The completed funeral hall reflects solemnity and reverence for the deceased. Organizing a complete and dignified funeral service for the deceased is the mission of Duc Thinh. Next is the Tan Phuc, mourning attire, ceremony. The monk performs the purification ritual for the mourning garments. Duc Thinh staff assist family members in donning mourning clothes according to tradition. After the mourning attire ritual, the monk offers a ceremonial meal for the spirit of the deceased. The ritual of offering tea to the beloved father. The ritual of offering rice to the beloved father. Family members bow to the deceased, concluding the meal offering ritual. After the mourning attire ritual concludes, relatives, friends, colleagues, and neighbors may begin visiting to offer condolences. Day of the funeral procession, moving the spirit to cremation. The monk offers a ceremonial meal to the spirit before the procession. The Chow Dao Lo ritual, announcing the journey, is performed before the procession. A professional brass band plays solemn melodies to bid farewell to the spirit and comfort the grieving family. Before the time of the procession and departure, neighbors, colleagues, and friends offer incense in the final farewell. Mourning family members offer incense in their last farewell.
An quyến xin được bày tỏ lòng biết ơn sâu sắc đến quý thân bằng quyến thuộc, bà con lối xóm, bạn bè gần xa, quý.
Duc Thinh Funeral staff perform the Baikwan ritual. The Baikwan ritual, also called the farewell ceremony, is one of the most solemn and emotional parts of the funeral, usually held before the coffin leaves the house for burial or cremation. This ritual symbolizes asking permission to move the coffin out of the home to its final resting place. The Baikwan ritual and the mourning candles hold not only ceremonial value but also deep spiritual meaning, representing filial piety and the final farewell to the deceased. After the Baikwan ritual, the family appoints representatives to carry the incense burner, memorial tablet, and portrait of the deceased in preparation for the procession. The monk begins the departure and funeral procession rituals. The Duc Thinh Funeral staff carry out the departure and procession rituals. The final farewell to the home ritual is performed. The coffin is carried on foot for a short distance before being placed in the funeral vehicle. Before the coffin is placed into the vehicle, the family and mourners bow to thank neighbors, friends, and all who came to bid farewell. This is a gesture of heartfelt gratitude to all who came to share the family's grief. The coffin is placed into the ceremonial dragon hearse, ready to depart for the cremation center. The coffin is carried to the altar at the cremation center for the final rites. The monk conducts the final chanting and offering ritual at the cremation center. Incense is offered one last time to the spirit before cremation. Mourners and guests also offer their final incense before cremation. Preparation for lowering the coffin onto the cremation platform. Mourning family members bow in the final farewell before cremation begins. The lowering and cremation ritual concludes the funeral ceremony with dignity and completeness.